Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from Allure Beauty Box. Okay, within we have the little mini brochure that talks about the products that may be within, along with a note from the features director. I just wanted to read what the features director wrote in here. She put on opening up. I put on makeup to meet a friend, looked in the mirror, and did a little jig. The world hasn't recovered from COVID-19 by any means, but I am slowly starting my social life, meeting for picnics and outdoor brunches. Keyword being outdoor. For the comeback, for this comeback, I've reassessed my relationship with cosmetics. Typically, I would go for a bold lip, face covering requirements. I now swipe on a bold eyeliner or high impact mascara. And my new signature look has reinvigorated my love for a good cleansing balm. You'll find a few of these makeup essentials in this month's box. It's the small bursts of color that remind us that there is still fun to be had. Very important to keep in mind. Okay, let's see. So we have the Wander mascara. This is the Wander Beauty Unlash Mascara. That's $24 US. The next thing in here is for skin. What is this? I think it's this little baby. This is La Roche-Posay. Hope I'm saying that right. Anti-Helios 50 Ultralight Sunscreen Fluid. I'm all for a good SPF sunscreen sunblock. So the full size of this brand would be $33.50. This sunscreen does everything it should. Blends in on all skin tones, offers broad spectrum protection, and then some. And the claim is that it's not too greasy, but just right. This I will definitely try. Cute little sample size. Love this brand. This is Elemis, and this is their Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is one of my top 10 cleaning products for the skin. This is, I think, their travel size. The full price on the full size of this would be $64. This, I think, is the travel size, so this will be probably at $33, half price. Is it pricey? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. You can get the small one. It'll last you for several months. Use it sparingly. You don't have to glob it on. A little goes a long way. But this is a powerhouse cleanser. It works wonderfully. It cleans without stripping, and it leaves your skin feeling nice and moisturized after. And it has a lovely, almost I would say rustic type of smell. It doesn't smell overly perfumey. It smells naturally good. So I would say, what? I got a brush from NYX Cosmetics. They offered two selections. One was from e.l.f. and one was from NYX. And actually, I'm glad I got this one because I have the e.l.f. highlighting brush. I believe I do. I love the e.l.f. brushes. They are tremendous, and the price can't be beat. This is from NYX. I don't believe I have any NYX products. This is their NYX Pro Contour Brush. So I'm going to take this out of the packaging so you can see it. If I can get it out of its packaging, that would be great. If you watch my channel, if you're a regular person who views and you're a subscriber, hopefully both, you know I am very into makeup tools. I love this. It feels very soft. I'm like, for a contour brush, but it does, when I put it against here, it does have a firmness. But it's also, look at that. You see how it moves the brush? It's like, and I'm not even pressing hard, but when I do this, there is give, but there's also a bit of a firmness. So it'll be interesting to try this for a contour. Okay, it has some weight. What's this? The number? Oh, it has a number, a 05. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's there. And here is something from a brand called Cleo Noir, and this is the Cleo Noir Twist Up Eyeliner in purple. Oh my goodness, I love it that they went with a different color. That's great. The price for this is $18. You can go to their Cleo Noir website, and that's Cleo Noir together, no space.com. I've never heard of this brand, so I am all for it. Let's see. this is how it looks. Pretty unassuming. The color of what it is indicated here. All right, and this is a twist up. Okay. I'm going to twist it up too far because I don't want the product to. It's fairly smooth, but it's kind of light. I was expecting it to be a little darker. It has give, which is nice, but it's not overly creamy, so it's not gonna melt and fall apart on you. But I like that color. Ooh, a face mask. Next up from Glam Up, this is Soothing Aloe Texture Refinement Sheet Mask. And it has the directions in the back on how to put it on. I am dying for a sheet mask. I love them, so I'm definitely going to be trying this out, and I'll probably feature it on my Sunday Mask Day on Instagram. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, I will post it down below. It's Makeup or Breakup Blogger. And last, but certainly not least, is this cutie little bottle. And this is called Waterless Dry Conditioner Instant Moisture. Okay, this is paraben-free, sulfate-free. The weight on this little sample is 0.98 ounce, which is 28 grams. This is the brand Waterless. Thirsty Strands, try dry conditioner. Dry conditioner? Never heard of it. I have to definitely try this. And it gives a picture here. It actually has a two-step process. They have the dry shampoo here, and then the dry conditioner. How would that work for people who have thin hair or oily hair? I wonder. So it says, you know, dry shampoo, need dry conditioner. Just shake, spritz, smooth. Ah. Instantly soft and smooth hair on days you don't wash. And the site is called waterlesshaircare, no spaces, .com. And it says, or wherever you buy hair care. I wonder if Ulta, Sephora, or even Amazon is carrying this. Or Walmart, Target, CVS, your local drugstore. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen this brand at your local drugstore or Target. Let me know in the comments below. Overall, I would give this box an A, simply because, yes, I'm a little partial for Elemis. This alone is $33. And this stuff is awesome. Wander Beauty is a great brand. I've only heard great things about it. And mascara I always use. SPF, gotta love it. It's important to wear, whether it's summer, winter, spring, fall. You should always have a layer of protection on your skin. Another piece of skincare, face mask, gotta love it. A makeup tool, yes. Eyeliner that's a color other than the standard black, wonderful, definitely yes. And this little dry conditioner, instead of dry shampoo, dry conditioner. Instant moisture, gotta love it. Who would have thunk? Overall, I give this box an 8. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.